Alright guys, the time has come. We're gonna put some brass on the SCX 10.3 and gonna make a short video out of it. I don't think I'm gonna do a time lapse on this one. I think I'm gonna do this one because I got a new tool that I want to review. I went out and bought me the DeWalt gyro, and so far it seems awesome. I gave it a good little charge today, and I believe it was like $89.99 at Lowe's. Came with the battery and the charger. So far it seems pretty good. So let's see how it goes. Let me get set up here, and we're going to get these brass outer pores on. They're in Jora. Of course, a lot of the things that I do is in Jora. So, in Jora, if you happen to be watching, I wouldn't be mad if you contacted me about a sponsorship, because I do spend an awful lot of money on your products. So either way, give me a second. We're going to get set up here, and we're going to get these in and test out the new tool. Alright guys, so the brass is in. Wheels turn just fine. Definitely a lot more heft in the front. This truck definitely needed it. Give you a little walk around of the truck, and then we'll pop up in the top and I'll show you inside. All right, like I said, I'm running the Canyon Trail Wild Peaks. I painted it a copper color. I thought this color really looked nice on it. I've got the soft top that I made from some canvas. I believe it was actually the top to the Gen 8 Axe edition. I have license plates, personalized. Basically, that's about it. Man, that thing is really heavy on the front now. That's basically about it on that. I'm going to pop the top and I'll show you around on the inside. Alright guys, pop the top off. Okay, so definitely going to be putting some lights in here. It's just got 4 light buckets, 2 up there, 2 down here. Going to be putting some light buckets on that, or I'm going to put some lights in the light buckets on that. I believe I've got some coming next week. Okay, so we got the axe, Hobby Wing axe system in here. With this, the fake engine cover couldn't fit, so we didn't do that. And I believe it's got, I don't remember what servo I put in there. I believe that's one of the, what is that servo? I don't remember what that servo is. I think it was just one of the cheapo Amazon ones. I do have this one set up for dig. I did not opt for the 2-speed. From what I understand, it's pretty negligible between the two. I would like to put some rock lights in here. I think that would be really cool on this. And I also have a light bar I'm thinking about trying to attach somehow to the body. But yeah, that's my SCX 10.3. And like I said, it was the Jeep body, the JLU body. But I did the custom body job on it. I took off the hardtop, left the door frames, left this open. I did have some tape stuff up there, but I guess that kind of wore off over time. Need to put some more up there just to get it to, sit flush again. But I was actually really happy with the way that the body turned out. I think it looks really good. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. And that's it for now. So thank you again for watching, commenting, sharing, subscribing. It means the world to me. We just hit over 50 subscribers. I think we have 51 at the time of this video. I'm hoping to hit 100 by the end of the summer. That would be great. And we will go from there. But again, thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, have a great night.